Hey there, foodies. Today I've got a really cool recipe for you, banana blueberry muffins made in the microwave. Can you believe it? Trust me, they are soft, moist and bursting with flavor. Let's get our ingredients ready. We'll start with ripe bananas full of natural sweetness. Then we've got fresh blueberries that are bursting with juice. And guess what? We have a surprise ingredient too, dark chocolate. Cut the chocolate into yummy pieces. Melt the butter in the microwave until it becomes a golden liquid. Now let's mash those bananas really well, we want them smooth and creamy. Fun fact, as bananas ripen, they develop more sugar while they soften. That's why I recommend using overripe bananas in this recipe, as they will add more flavor. Don't worry if the banana peels have started to brown, they will still be good to use. Let's add the melted butter to the bananas. I've tested this with soft butter and with cooking oil, but I have found that the melted butter yields the best results. Next, we'll add the sugar and a dash of vanilla for that dreamy touch we all love. Don't forget a pinch of salt and then some yogurt. The yogurt serves as a replacement for egg in this recipe and will give a softer texture to the muffins. Mix everything to let the ingredients come together. These muffins are going to be so delicious that you'll want to make them every day. Keep watching, we've got a few more surprising twists coming up. Now let's bring in the dry ingredients. Mix flour and cinnamon together. Blend it like a baking pro. Remember, the secret to any good muffin is to never overmix the batter. Be gentle and mix until the dry ingredients are just incorporated. When you give this recipe a try, leave a comment and let me know how they turned out. I would love to hear your feedback and answer any questions you have. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when I post a new video. Let's add those chocolate pieces to the batter. Yummy pockets of chocolatey goodness. I use dark chocolate to add extra complexity to the flavors, but you can also use milk or white chocolate. Next, we'll sneak in those blueberries and gently fold them into the mixture. They'll be a nice surprise when you take a bite. You can also use frozen blueberries, just adjust the baking time with an extra minute. Now, let's place the chocolate chip cookies on a piece of baking paper and crush them with a rolling pin. You can also use ginger or oats cookies, adjusting to your personal preference. It is totally optional, so you can even choose to not use them. Once the cookies are all crumbled, grab the sides of the baking paper to easily transfer them to a container. Now, let's fill up our microwave-safe muffin cups with the batter. You can fill the muffin cups about 3/4 full. Don't worry if you don't have a microwave muffin mold, just use paper cups instead. Let's sprinkle some crushed chocolate chip cookies on top. It's like a crunchy crown for each muffin. The cookie crumbs will weigh down the batter a bit, but no worries, it's just their way of giving the muffins a warm, cozy hug. So don't be alarmed if your muffins don't rise as high as in a conventional oven. For a pop of color, press a few more blueberries into each muffin. Press in firmly so they stay put. If you put them too loose, they might roll off during baking and cause some fruity mischief. Pop those muffins in the microwave on medium-high for just 6 minutes. But wait, there's more. With the extra batter, we'll whip up a fun ring cake. A bonus treat, because who doesn't love surprises? You will get 12 muffins from this recipe, or 6 muffins and 1 ring cake. Trust me, a banana blueberry ring cake will be just as delicious. Tell me in the comments if you would bake the ring cake or rather make 12 scrumptious muffins. The muffins are finished. Let's take them out of the microwave and let them cool down slightly before removing them from the mold. Now, let's give that ring cake a 6-minute spin in the microwave on medium-high. While the cake is baking, let's remove the muffins from the mold. They look and smell delicious. Moist, tender and bursting with the delightful combo of bananas and blueberries. The ring cake is done, so let's give it a taste. The cake is still warm, the chocolate pockets are oozing out, a pure delight. Please comment below and let me know where you're watching from and what you'd like to see next. If you enjoyed this muffin adventure, hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty recipes. You'll be missing out if you don't try this recipe. And before you go, check out my irresistible fudgy brownie recipe by clicking here. Until next time, enjoy. Stay happy, stay awesome.